It is not a strengthening exercise, right? So if I want to strengthen her hind legs, I'm going to have to do a little like shoulder in here. Now I've got the left hind, left hind, left hind, left hind. And she struggles, and you can see it. So I'm going to turn. Good girl. Good. So I want to talk a minute about like riding the horse from the inside aids and then turning the horse from the outside aids. What's so important about this horse is, yes, I can't ignore that the hind legs need to get stronger, of course. But it's about what are the hind legs' energy, how does that go through the wither, through the shoulder, through the neck, through the bit. And so when I'm doing something to the left, I know I need to activate her left hind leg, because by nature that's like way over here to the left, because the right shoulder is going like this, right? So she's just like this. And so this left hind leg is like landing under air. So I know I have to like get the left hind leg like under her body. Ooh, under her body. Ooh, under her body. Turn my body to the left. Left seat bone. Ooh, it's hard. But then I want to turn. So now I take the right leg and rein and turn her. So we're going to do, I know we've talked a lot about square turns. And so it's so much about like bring the shoulder, inside hind leg, inside hind leg, inside hind leg. So I just want to have a quick chat about that, because I'm going to go back to the trot and then the canter, because it's so important that she can switch between inside aids and outside aids. And I introduced that with this little leg yield zigzag. Good girl. Inside hind leg, inside hind leg, inside. Get her attention. Good. I'm going to turn. So it's now outside aids, outside aids, outside aids. Shoulder in, shoulder in, shoulder in, shoulder in. Turn. Outside aids, outside aids. I'm going to turn right. But because her shoulders always want to fall, I'm going to now leg yield out, leg yield out, leg yield out. Now I'm going to turn. Outside aids, inside leg. Pick her up. Good. And turning, 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 and leg yield. And right hind leg, right hind leg, right hind leg, right hind leg. Good. And turning, and turning, and turning. Organize, turning left. So it's the right aids, little leg yield, leg yield, leg yield, leg yield. Outside aids, outside aids, outside aids. Turning, turning, turning. Good girl. And turning, and turning, and turning. And inside hind leg, inside hind leg, inside hind leg. Good job, mama. I'll take this to canter. Oh, on the bit. On the bit. Yeah, you gotta get on the bit. Good girl. Good girl. Push it through, push it through. Good. So now, coming down the long side.